So what do you do with all your cables? Well, with the ES cabinet, we can put them anywhere. The ES cabinet has a very well-designed rail that is multifaceted and multifunctional that allows plastic fingers on the front rail, plastic fingers on the rear rail, which is unique to Great Lakes. I can have a brush grommet rail kit, which provides a separation of airflow, as well as all the cable management features and accessories that go with that. Cable rings, I have plastic fingers, 7-inch, 4-inch, front and rear cable management fingers, which is unique to Great Lakes. I also have the hinge cover for cable management, even on the inside. Inside this cable management trough, I actually gain additional 0 RU mounting. So I have 3 RU switches, an extra patch panel, or even a PDU that can be mounted on the rear of that as well, and still have a hinge cable management cover. I have front to rear cable management troughs, front to rear horizontal cable bars. I have vertical cable bars, which allow for cable management rings and any size bundle to be laced in with that. So you're very free to have any size and any type of cables to go with that. The cable management rings that are on the back of the ES rails are independent and are toolless mounted with a plastic rivet that is reusable. Very flexible. A lot of our customers standardized on that and buy that in bulk because they love it so much. Mounting power strips and rear cable management is also a premium design feature. This unique PDU bracket is always included. It is adjustable in height, allows for multiple PDUs, multiple circuits, all to be serviced in one enclosure. So in addition to all the internal cable management, we also have an external cable management sidecar, which allows you to put extra bundles and extra power strips into a nice little unit.